But I feel like because we played a couple, I should have said GG's. See the game review? I would, but we have a solid 15 minutes. I need to play 3-0 if I win this game. It's unlikely. Well, we actually the bet was 1 hour. Can't I do this? I think I can. I also have, oh, sorry, the board's doing that thing. Don't know what playlist this is. You know, I'm just gonna shuffle my music. Let's just see. Or maybe we just do more Amelie Lens. She never misses. She never disappoints me, unlike all the men in my life. This is a banger. He moved? Oh, thank you. I didn't realize my thing was broken. Thank you, thank you. Well, now we've lost exactly 50 seconds. It's called giving my opponents time odds because I just think that I am so much stronger than them. If I do this, they're gonna do this. Wait, isn't this winning a pawn? No, because you check. Yeah, you do this. But the idea is if you do this and you come back, he defended it now. But now he has a lot of weak squares. Like, what? Does he want this? I don't know. I don't know. Do this, do this. I would like to push, bang. Which at least this is pinned. Ah, he unpinned. Okay. I don't know about this opening, buddy. Develop. All right, this is looking good. I need to catch up on the clock, though, because we're super slow. Boop, boop, boop. This bishop isn't going to go anywhere, first of all. Because, ooh, yeah, we should do this, actually. You're nice and feel bad when your opponent feels bad. Wait, what? You're drinking disgusting coffee since yesterday, but it's worth it. Same, bruv. Same. I've been slacking on the playlist. Yay, thanks, and randoms. You need the bishop. What bishop? This bishop? We could push. More DJ sets are coming. I'm excited. I'm in grind mode. It's picking up. Okay, now let's shut up. Let's just play fast. Let's continue our plan. If he comes here and he moves this, he could. Or I could even activate this. But I don't know. What is he going to do? Come here? Okay. I think my plan is to attack on both sides of the board. So start something here. I mean, this is very strong. And then start something on the other side. I could come here or I could come here, but then you come here. If I come here, you push, I come here. You come here, I take, you take. I mean, if you push, I could also... But that's kind of passive. But you create so many weaknesses. I don't think it's worth it. I'll just go back. Yeah. Thank you, Ninjo. What type of sets would you guys like soon? I think I'm going to continue doing the techno, just subgenres of techno. But just because that's what I like most. But I'm open to suggestions. Do we want to trade? Deep House? That one would be fun for Twitch. Okay, I'm going to shush. Ah! I thought it was defended, but I didn't see the queen. I almost Botez gambited again. We could save this. We could save this! Don't worry! It was called an intentional sacrifice. I thought it was defended, but I would have... Don't worry. It's calculated because now I take attack, and then I push. And then somehow we're going to win like this. Trust me. If he stacks, that's fine. Then we equalize and I'm defended. I have a queen. I could even push again. But I feel like let's just finish what we started. The thing is, well, once he moves this knight, he's going to do that. But at least I'm attacking a rook. I could just start attacking. This rook is really annoying. I need to do something about this bishop. I do this, you do this, I take. He might sack. Okay, he didn't. He still wants to do this. Maybe I do this so that you don't do that. I just need to defend against this threat. If he comes here, I want to try to do this. What if I do this? Then you take. I want it to take like this. This was the only way to save my pieces. But this is defended. This is going to retreat. Now I just got to defend this. Thank you, Mike. Thank you so much, Mike. Oh, fuck. Let's be sneaky. Otherwise, we're not going to save this. We've got ideas, but not all ideas are good ideas. But someone once told me there are no bad ideas. This is almost hanging. Just realized he could have literally won a piece. No, he couldn't. He couldn't. I need to... Maybe I push next. If he does nothing, I push. But I don't think opening the king's good. He wants to do this, but then I'll fork him. But I'm going to lose all my little pawns. He just blundered. I could even push. I could be cruel. No, because he'll take. We'll take first. If you come here, I take, you take. If you come here, I do this, you do this. I take, you take. Okay, it doesn't work. 7 seconds. You do this. Okay, don't push. It's just... Okay. Now we push. Queen comes here, bring in the bish. Oh, baby, this is nice. But if you come here, I still do it. I do this, because if you take, I take. And then if you take, I queen. So I just win. I mean, I should do it probably regardless, no matter what you do. Okay? But here, this is defended. I don't know why they're still playing, but maybe they think this is 3-0. I get it. If I were 1969, I would also want to dearly hang on to my rating, so you could give me a little check. Oh no, a check! How do we get in? He's gonna flag me. Ah, what am I doing? Okay, we trapped his knight, baby. Thanks. Whoa, holy smokes. Thank you so much for all the gifted. Thank you for all the subs. Okay, guys, I think I can do it. No, I actually really, really appreciate it, Mike. Okay, let's not. Should I? I wish I could make more of them. Life would be better if I had more queens. You guys know how to mate with 3 queens? Because I don't. Alright. Okay. We have 2 more games. Don't play with your food. I always do. My friend was telling me how he saw you recently. RL was too nervous to approach. Aw. Don't be. Unless you're weird and you're gonna hit on me, then you should be very nervous. But if you're a nice, normal person, there's nothing to be scared of. But it was cool. I loved seeing people at the last warehouse rave because I could see the reaction on their faces. He wanted another one.